Okil Bethwel Kawere owuok oko mar kwedo wach bedo gi tudruok moramora kod kambi moro ma otisi ni Springmark Investment Limited mayangore ni ne owuondo jodak mathoth ma Eldoret e kaunti ma Uasin Gishu ma oketo milionde modhuro mag omenda e aguch gi geno mar nyuolo pesago obed mathoth. Kalore kod Okil Bethwel, wuon kambino Ambrose Abuti ne omiye mana tich mar loso rak mar winjruok gi jogo mane kano pesa kode. Kolero ni kambi mare mar Okil onge tudruok moramora gi Ambrose. Bende olero ni onge omenda mane ichulo ka okalo e kambi mare kowacho ni tije ne en mana yango ka nitiere jago mane Ambrose chulo.
Ambrose company is purely independent. It has nothing to do with this law firm. There's no money trail through here. No one paid any money through this company. Everything else was done through Ambrose. All I ever did and ever handled was to execute the contracts. I had nothing else to do with the companies, even on how it runs its affairs. I had nothing to do with that because I was not associated with the company in any way. The same way he used to handle his clients at a personal level, that is the same way we. The only thing I was ever requested to do was once he made payments in between, was to draw an acknowledgement that this client has been paid this much, and that is purely within my rights as an advocate.
Ramogi gili pod na wadan mono wa couch yueyo mokwongo sa en abiro gi dakika 20 kabindi anano